Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do SEO on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. So to do SEO on Google Maps, what you need to do is you need to actually place your business on Google Maps. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and choose whichever location your business is currently located at, right click it, and then go add your business. And that's going to open up the create menu in the Google Business Center, and you should enter a business name and everything if you don't already have it, but if you do, you'll be able to set up your business here. Now if I go to some business as an example, so for example Sushi Yasaka or whatever it's called, as you'll see they have all this information here, including their website. Now this is the thing that you're going to have to keep in mind. Of course, it should be the shortest possible name for your restaurant or your business in general, and it needs to have all the required information within the name, so pretty much just the name, and make it short. Don't go into too much detail so that people can actually find it. And you can also add a description to your business as well, which is also an important part of SEO. Of course, adding your menu, adding your website URL is also very, very useful, since of course you will do better if people can access those pieces of information over the internet much easier, and of course being able to place an order through Google Maps is useful in and of itself, so that people don't have to make any or use any other third-party apps such as Uber Eats or something. They can just directly call you and order takeout or whatever it is. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can do SEO in Google Maps. It is very bare bones, but Maps isn't well made for SEO. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.